So the now not so new Reggae Boys coach Heimir Halgrimsson has now gone approximately 1 year and 15 games as the man in charge. Well, in terms of what is at stake and the team we're playing against, this game coming up on Friday night against Canada at the National Stadium must be one of the biggest and most high-pressure assignments of Coach Halgrimsson's tenure. This is, of course, a home and away tie in the Nations League quarterfinal and effectively a qualifier for a guest spot in next year's Copa America tournament. An assignment against a Canadian team that topped CONCACAF in the last set of World Cup qualifiers. So to say this will be a big test for the boys and for the coach is an understatement. The quality of the players in that Jamaica squad and the thirst of the Jamaican football fans to see this team fulfill its potential. With a highly paid foreign coach, fulfillment of that potential at minimum would at least be to get past Canada with the World Cup qualification as the bigger mission. So yes, for Halgrimsson, this is a big test. And if he fail, you know the rest.